Hey guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Clipman review. Now for those of you out there in the e-commerce space, you're on Shopify, you're doing drop shipping, you're doing print on demand, and you're doing it in conjunction with Facebook ads. If you are not finding the success that you want to find, Clipman is an absolutely amazing product that is going to really help you to get there. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Clipman, show you exactly how it's going to do that, show you exactly what it's all about, and as well as that, I've also gotten you some great bonuses that I've handpicked to go hand in hand with Clipman, so you get the absolute most out of it. You get some real bang for your buck. Before we get into it, drop a like in this video, hit subscribe, and turn on that little bell if you want to be notified about more products coming out like this that are going to help you make money online. Also, if at any point in this video you want to jump ahead and check out Clipman on your own, make sure you click the link in the description, because that way you'll be first sent to my bonus page, which looks like this. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official Clipman website. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, it will lock in your bonuses before then sending you off to the Clipman site. And if you do purchase it, you will not only get Clipman, but you will get all of these exclusive bonuses locked in with it in a big bundle that you can access immediately after you buy Clipman. So the first bonus I've got for you is Shopify Blueprint and Shopify Traffic. So two bonuses that I've shoved into one. What these products are going to do is help you get the most out of Clipman. Clipman is really a tool that you're using in Shopify to create imagery, to create animation, video, multimedia, I should say, and then put that out using Facebook ads. This is going to help you to get a better education, better understanding on Shopify. That's what Shopify Blueprint is going to do, help you set up everything the way it should be. Shopify Traffic is the next part. It's going to help you to get traffic. So you're not just creating a store and then sitting back like most people do and saying, oh, where's the audience? Where are the people buying my stuff? This tells you how to add a little bit of proactivity to your day, so you're actually getting traffic to your site, and you know how to do it. The next bonus number 2, is the second part of the equation that people usually use Shopify in conjunction with Facebook ads. This goes into running Facebook ads, and also an extra one I threw in there, Facebook retargeting. So this goes into everything about Facebook ads, how to run Facebook ads for really, really cheap, how to incorporate retargeting into your ad. It's kind of mysterious for a lot of people, but this really goes into it, gives you a great understanding of not only ads, but retargeting ads. Bonus number 3 I threw in, 2-part bonus again, copywriting expert and copywriting influence. Now, I find this really important, and I really noticed the difference when I was doing e-com, where when I learned how to do copy, I could not only use it on my front page of my website, I could use it in my ads, I could use it in my product descriptions, I could use it, everywhere. If you don't know how to trigger emotions in what you're saying and what you're typing, you're not fulfilling your full potential of how much you can sell and how much you can succeed in making money online in general. But I think especially e-com, because there's so much written text that people are reading from those things, product descriptions, emails, ads, that you should really know how to, compel people to want to buy what you're selling. So I threw 2 products in there, great gold nuggets in each one on how to write good copy. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is called List Building Profit Kit. Now this is a product that goes into how to make money through your email list. So when people are buying your products, when people are signing up to your list, you're going to have this list sitting there, and a lot of people, they don't take that step to figuring out how to really profit from that email list. These are people that have probably bought something from you or have shown interest. These are your warm leads, and for them to just be sitting there and for you to not know how to deal with an email list and make money from it, it's silly. You should really learn how to do email marketing. There's a big quote out there among internet marketers which says that the money is in the list, and it is completely true. So this is going to help you with that side of your e-com business. The 5th bonus I've gotten for you is the vendor has hooked me up with full access to their bonus vault, I guess you could say. And in there we've got the first bonus, Clipman Shopify app. So you can check out the description there. Facebook Ads Authority, it's another Facebook Ads Traffic training product. Bonus 3, how to build profitable e-com stores. Bonus number 4 is Shopify Secrets. Bonus number 5, Shopify Traffic Secrets. So yeah, they've thrown in 5 bonuses for me to give to you there. So that's a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bonuses that you're getting. So if that all sounds good to you, step 1, link in the description. click on these green buttons that will lock in the bonuses and send you off to the Clipman sales page. I would recommend going through this in your free time. There's a lot of like videos you can watch on here. You can see exactly what to expect. You can see what's on offer. You can see the different packages and things like that. So you can make a more informed decision about what is right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this, and under the green button will be Clipman, and under the blue button, as I said, all those bonuses locked in for you in a big bundle. My email's here if you have any problems. Now I will say that keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is all a launch week special. When this runs out, they will no longer be available, and neither will any exclusive pricing you get that's also activated through these green buttons. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the lower price. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into seeing what Clipman is all about, what you can expect.
So as you can see right now, I'm on the dashboard, and just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to run you through the creation of a video, the problems we're solving with Clipman AI, and all the new features that are included in the Clipman AI edition that's going to help you make more profitable videos quicker than ever before. So right now I'm on the dashboard. As you can see, you get a free Shopify app when you get inside. You can create a video from scratch, or you can create a video from a web link. So to keep the video brief, I'm going to select this option where I can create a video from a web link. Now, one of the groundbreaking features inside of Clipman is the fact that the templates included inside of the platform have generated over $10 million in sales for its customers, and its customers have run thousands of profitable ads, and that has been used to train the AI technology to actually recommend the most profitable templates to you based on your niche. So when you first get inside of Clipman, you enter your niche, and what it's going to do is it's going to use that data behind all those profitable campaigns that its customers have run, and it's going to recommend the most profitable templates to you, as you can see on the screen right now. So I'm going to select one of the templates right now by hovering over it. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to click on continue. So you can enter any website URL here, and the AI technology will actually compile an optimized video for you. So just to keep the video brief, I'm going to select one of the example links at the bottom here. It's going to insert it, and I click on continue. And Clipman will get to work pulling in the images and the other parts of the web URL into a video for you. So what I can do now is I can actually go ahead and I can edit this text if I want to, or I can quickly go ahead and just create the video. So one of the huge features inside of Clipman AI edition is that the template has a live adapting preview. So as you can see here, because I've clicked inside of here, it's loading, and the actual template is going to load and adapt to what I type here. So if I just add, let's say, an exclamation mark over here, let's say I'm editing it, I wait for this to load. And as you can see, it's added that into the preview. So you don't have to wait for a video to render anymore just to see how the final product is going to look. This is a huge problem in the video marketing industry right now, is that you actually have to wait until your video is rendered. And those long rendering times are such an issue that you're wasting hours of time trying to create a video where stuff is overlapping out of the template and all that. Now that is no longer an issue because everything adapts in real time inside of this video preview. You can go ahead and edit the colors if you want to. As you can see, this is quite pixelated, but that's just an image pulled from the Amazon link I inserted to create the video from. So if I click in here, you can see it's going to start loading again. And if I edit this to just 55:39, this will now go ahead and adapt and show me what my final slide is going to look like inside of the video when I render it. So as you can see, it's now gone ahead and shown my changes on the actual slide for the video. So I know exactly how it's going to look, and I can go ahead, I can see this is now not looking so good behind this image. I can change this image, or I can change the text color so it stands out more to red or black, for example. So this is just what's possible inside of Clipman. Another huge feature inside of Clipman are the longer text fields. You can see this text field right here has 60 characters. So as you can see here, I've typed a long bit of text. This is now going to adapt to this text. As you can see, it's now loaded. It shows me exactly how my long text field is going to look without needing to render first, saving me hours of rendering time. So this is a huge problem solver for any video marketer. All other video creation tools limit you to like 10 characters per text field, which is just ridiculous because no one can sell a product with just, let's say, for example, 2 words. So with other video creation tools, I could only basically insert the price on a slide inside of the video. Now I can actually use sales copy inside of my video to sell the product being displayed in the video. Next, we can go ahead and include a proper call to action with up to 80 characters in this text field. The future is here. AI technology mixed with video creation. Get started below. Now that is a huge text field, and let's wait for it to load into the live adapting preview. And there we go. Just like that, it shows me exactly how this final slide is going to look. So now that we've created our video, obviously just keep in mind this is for demo purposes. I would obviously use different texture to apply to the actual image of the product I'm selling, but I'm just using this to keep the video brief. Next, we can add any kind of music. We have a huge audio library, so you never have to actually look for music yourself. You just select, you can filter by genre, by moods. So let's say, for example, I want to just select this one right now. I click on create new video because I've entered all of my settings. I click on create, and then the video begins rendering. Now this is another huge feature inside of Clipman. It's our rendering speeds. We have rebuilt our video rendering engine to render videos 10 times faster than your average video app. Now, as you can see, the video is loading. I'm using my voice live. This is not sped up. I'm going to wait for it to finish rendering. And then once it's done rendering, I can either download it or I can go ahead and post it directly to Facebook so that I can begin running targeted traffic to my new profitable video in just minutes. Yes, we have a direct Facebook integration to help you get traffic the moment your video is finished rendering. As you can see below, this video has already been rendered, and I can go ahead and I can preview it. I can duplicate and edit it. I can download it, or I can create a Facebook ad. So while this video is finishing rendering, I'm going to go to create Facebook ad, and it's going to bring it up where I can actually create an ad and begin driving traffic almost immediately. So I can select my marketing objective, I can select a Facebook campaign name, I can select an ad account, and then I can go ahead and define my audience, my targeting for location, age, gender, for interests. I can go ahead and select my placements for this video. I can set my budget, when I want it to run from and to. I can go ahead and actually create the ad so I can begin driving traffic to the page where I'm actually selling the product, and that's where the sale will take place. And with Facebook's love of video, you're set up for sales from the moment your video is rendered and you set it up as an ad to begin driving traffic. So here is the video that we just created. You can see everything matches the slides that were previewed to us with the live adapting videos feature. And you can see the longer text fields that were rendered super quickly. So the moment you are finished rendering a video, you can begin driving traffic to it to help you sell more products. Now, what's very cool also in Clipman is we have simultaneous rendering, which means you can render multiple videos at the exact same time. You don't have to wait for a video to finish rendering to be able to create another one. So just to summarize exactly what you're getting inside of Clipman, thanks to the millions of dollars worth of verified sales data and thousands of ad campaigns run from within the platform, the new machine learning AI technology knows exactly which templates you should use to maximize revenue and actually suggests that to you based on your niche. These templates are premium and hand-sourced from the world's most profitable video ads and reworked so you can just log into Clipman and begin editing and selling your products with them. Then we have the longer text fields, which I showed just a few seconds ago. Then you have the ability to create the perfect videos on the very first try with the world first live adapting videos, where you can see exactly how your final product will look without needing to render it first. It adapts live as you make your edits. Then we have the blistering fast rendering engine, and we also have the ability to create multiple videos at the exact same time, and we have the Facebook traffic integration. And then on top of that, we have the free Shopify app and the ability to create a video from scratch, not to mention the one I just demoed where you can create it from any web URL. So that's going to conclude the demo video and the walkthrough video. Thanks very much for your time, and I will see you inside of Clipman.
All right, hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're looking forward to getting your hands on Clipman and seeing what it can do for you. I think it's a really powerful product. Now, really quick, before we close out, if you go through the link in the description again, there's a little description here about what to expect during the buying process and the different packages on offer. So you've got the front end Clipman AI edition with a commercial license, 47 going up to 67. It's basically everything you saw in the video there, but you can come through here and see exactly in bullet pointed list what you can expect to get. There's an upsell, $37, basically a template club, and you will receive, different things every month. If you want to, this is good if you want to create multiple stores and, really scale your e-com brand as a whole. So you can see what's on offer there. And then you have Video Ads Master Training for $197, which is basically in-depth training. If you're still not succeeding, you can get this. It's a fraction of the cost of any courses out there in schools or colleges or anything like that. You can take that up and really make sure that you're getting the most training you can. Knowledge is power. So I will say this before we close out, you do only need the front end in order to get access to the bonuses. So don't think you need those 2 upsells to get the bonuses. You don't, but I would get them if you think they're going to help you. So for $47, so much on offer here. If you take into consideration the bonuses, full money back guarantee. If you still have questions or concerns, drop them in the comments, hit me up on email or my social media. I reply to everybody. If not, I hope you get the most out of Clipman. I hope you love those bonuses, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.